Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring these two items as recommendations for you. This one is our economic series and this one is our popular series. Firstly, let's have a look at the appearance design. This is front side. The panel and the button is made of PC material. This is the back side. The frame and the base is made of high-grade PA material, which have excellent flame resistance performance. Okay, now let's find out the difference between these two items. Firstly, we have a look at this one. Have you noticed the unique design here? With the help of this hole, we can easily remove the panel without ruining the surface, like this. And then, look at here. If I want to screw up the cloth, I have to remove the button firstly, because it blocks the path of the screwdriver. Okay. Only like this, we can continue the installation, right? Okay. After that, we put the button back and put the panel back. Okay, we finish. Now, look at the popular series. Similarly, we first remove the panel, and then look at here. Have you noticed the difference? We can obviously notice that we no longer have to remove the button because we can screw up the cloth directly, right? It saved us a lot of time as well as labor cost, right? Okay, after finish, we put the panel back. Okay, the reason I recommended these two items is based on its outstanding cost performance. Okay, if you are interested in our products or you have any suggestion, welcome, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next episode.